currently on the boat at the moment with a good mate of mine, Brendan Cundell. Come out to do a bit of a sounder tutorial on the water. Just bought a brand new 95sv UHD, and you should see how crisp these readings are. That's traditional sonar. Side view, side head clear. How good? Brendan is one happy customer. Has his Garmin 95sv UHD set up brilliantly. Showed him through some intimate settings to make sure that he gets the best out of his sounder, and he's absolutely stoked. Bit of interpretation just so he knows what he's looking at, and that read at speed, absolutely fantastic. And all he did was follow my simple process that I have in a YouTube clip. I'll pop the link in here for you guys to go and have a look at. Very, very easy way to get your sounder set up so you're reading at speed. Guys, if you're interested in some sounder coaching, by all means, please hit me up. You can message me via Facebook or Instagram, or you can leave a comment in this YouTube clip, and I'll get back to you and see if we can sort out something to be able to help you get the most out of your sounder, if not also your setup, to ensure that you're getting the optimum out of it. So guys, by all means, please subscribe to this channel, share it around to anyone that you think may be of benefit to. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Westofish. Until next time, guys, safe boating, happy fishing, tight lines.